So for the past few weeks, the Bitcoin market just continue making new high, and so I think a lot of people they will make a mistake, think the market is too high, so they're going to short the market. But it turned out the market just continue to make high, and so I think a lot of time we get into this mindset that we think the market is what's the market going to do, and so instead of the predict the market, I think we just have to trade what we see. Because our human brain is really easy to make up story, and that's essentially how we survive in the ancient days. Use our imagination to predict what's going to happen. But in the trading market, these tools can somewhat hurt us because we think the market is at all-time high, so it wouldn't get any higher. But the thing is, the market didn't really show any indicator the market going to reverse. And so I think I'm going to show you more on the chart what I need to see before I think the market is reversing.
有符合你的标准吗？
I'm not the particular guy like to just travel. I like the place I'm familiar with, but it's still fun to try it once in a while. So I think because traveling is so hard. So once I get back to the US, my trading will be a lot easier with my set schedule and everything. I've been trying to develop the daily review, the weekly review, and the monthly review. I create a chart and to do that, and to kind of just like the beginning of the day, I try to just type in what I see the market do, and at the end of the day, I would kind of review what I did and what the market did compared to what I think the market going to do. And I think just like the hardest part of doing review like that is just to do it and just have to continue consistently doing that. So we just have to see how it goes. So now we're going to heading to Gucheng, and so it's the ancient city. So let's see what's over there. This trip I was the most happy about is to kind of figure out the style I want for this channel, and I feel really struggle to film video on the road with my big camera. And so there's nothing wrong with the big camera, but it's kind of hard to film anything on the go. And so that's why I was pretty happy to get this new camera. It's so small, so compact. So I think I'm going to continue with this style when I go home. And so just like use my big camera to film the B-roll and to film content in my Chinese channel. But just like for the main talking stuff in the English channel, I'm just going to use these to do a vlog style. And so when I walk my daughter, I go to places and driving, and so this is just so much easier. And so I kind of want to just share my life and share my trade just in my spare time. So I don't want to take off too much time to prepare. So I just want to kind of talk about what's in my mind and just share my trading journey with you. And so we can just see how things take us, and we can just go from there. See, I have to take her out before we can finish this walk. 抱着你走好不好，你家伙，有车不坐。哎呦，来着，哎呦，不要碰这个摄像机好不好？ I think most of you, when you start trading, you are kind of self-taught, and so that's exactly how I started. And so the trading is a pretty lonely journey. The internet is so common, and so you can pretty much, if you are willing to look for it, you can find a lot of good information about how to trade and what tools you can use. So you can just simply just like YouTube it, Google it. You can even ask the ChatGPT. But I think it's just like come to the end, just you have to kind of figure out your own style. Because at the end, it's not about like how much you know. It's about like how well you can control yourself. And so I think 不讲话好不好？不讲话。So I also know a lot of people, they are know like pretty much all the indicator and all the trading strategy exists, but they are still not profitable. Okay, so let's take a little bit break and just like talk about what I need to see when I kind of confirm the market is reversing. So like from here, the market was creating a lower low and lower high, but right here, just like it create this consolidation for like a Thursday all the way to Saturday, and just like on Sunday it finally break, and just like when the market break, you have a momentum to go up. And so I was watching if the market going to break this previous high or not, but sure enough, the market was break this high with the volume. Then the market just reverse and step on the anchor VWAP. So this is a monthly anchor VWAP. So from there on, we can see the market is just keep creating higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low, and higher high, and higher low. So right now we are at the point to see if the market is going to create another higher high, or the market have to break the previous low and create the lower high. But as right now, we haven't seen anything, any indicator that the low is being violated. So we're going to expect the market is going to continue create making the higher high, unless this previous low got violated. Like right now is that in the interesting point, because the market just created the all-time high. If this market failed to create another high, and so we will see this lower high right here, and I want to see the market have this huge high volume break the previous low. So it's pretty clear until then, I'm not going to assume the market going to reverse. Make sure we don't assume what the market going to do. We're going to just trade what we see. So yeah, let's go back to the walk. It's not about like how much you know. It's how much you are familiar with the tools you are using. And so I really like one of the quotes like Bruce Lee was talking about. So he said, like, I don't afraid people who know 1,000 kick, but I'm afraid of people know one kick and practice 1,000 times. So I think same thing with the trading, just like if you know 1,000 different trading tools and trading strategy, you're probably not going to be profitable, and market is not going to be afraid of you. And on the other hand, just like if you know one strategy and you practice 1,000 times, the better chance you will be profitable. So just remember, there's a lot of people out there trying to make this work, so you are not alone. And just keep out the good work, and just learn your one particular trading strategy and practice 1,000 times with it. Yeah, so hey, 不要再玩了。I feel like my daughters really love to play with my camera whenever I was holding her. But anyway, so yeah, so I think that's it for now. Keep you guys updated. Hopefully I can make another video before I go home, and so I can be kind of caught up with my video. Okay, so that's it for today. 你可以不要咬它吗？